Good morning. It's 10 o'clock. It's Monday. The sun is shining. It's not too cold. I've got my legs out because it's not too cold. Oh, that's just my ass. I've got tights on. You couldn't really see. But yeah. It's a lovely day. My friend's now coming round, which is going to be amazing. All the kids are at school. Fox really didn't want to go to nursery. He started to cry as soon as we got to the school site. And normally, because he cries whenever he goes in, and he's fine. They always send me a message like 10 minutes later saying he's fine. But normally I'll like go in with him, I find his name, I put his name on the peg and do all that shit. And today I was just like, I just don't have it in me. And I just left. Walked, and the teacher was like, yeah, good job, go, go, go. So I just whoosh, out the door. I've just blitzed the house, the downstairs, because it got made a bit of a mess of at the weekend, and obviously because everyone was poorly, it's harder to keep on top of everything, especially when it's Fox and he just wants to sit in bed with me all day. So yeah, I've had a bit of a blitz of the house. I'm just feeling very happy at the moment and content. I need to push my shop. I need to get that going. I need that to be busier. I have looked for jobs online. If anyone knows of any online jobs that I can do from home, because quite a lot of them, like, you look on them and then they turn out to be a scam, or they want you to pay like £40 and stuff. And I just want a job that I can do at home when the kids are at school. Because I don't think I'm going to be able to do anything elsewhere, because Fox is at school. I still have to do all the school runs, and then Fox is only in on Monday, Tuesday, so it's just not a lot of hours free. And I don't want to work evenings and weekends, just because that's my time when I actually get to spend with the kids and do fun stuff. And obviously once Ben has his own place sorted, he'll have the kids every other weekend, so I don't want to waste the weekends that I've got with them. But yeah, I haven't done a food shop this week. I've been shit. I need to do that today, really. I might actually do that now. I might sit and wait for my friend to get here. I bought us these because I don't know what one she likes. Surely everyone likes one of those. Like, I will pick this one. I don't like these at all. That's gross. And that's like gross, but even grosser because it's white chocolate, and I don't like white chocolate. But this, yes, yes, yes. So I don't know what one she's going to pick, but I'll update you later. I'm not sure if she's going to let me put her on the vlog. She might do. I don't know. She's never been on one. She's a new friend. She's a school mum, and she's fucking amazing. And she is like just a beautiful human. I just love her. And we're like soul sisters, which is lovely. Yeah, that's it. I haven't really got anything to tell you. Yeah, I'll talk to you. I'll let you know when Amanda gets here. I'll let you know what chocolate she picks, and then we'll talk at some point later. Hey, it's late, obviously. Not late, it's 7:20. I'm lying. But it's later on in the day. Amanda came round and I forgot to film because it was a very, very short visit. She was only here for like, I don't know, an hour, and it was just blah, and we were just word vomiting at each other, and it was amazing. But we've decided we're going to go for a spa, because I've never been to a spa before, and she was absolutely fucking horrified. So she's we're going to go to a spa, but she chose the white chocolate cream egg. Couldn't think of the word was then. Then after she'd gone, I went to a hair consultation, and I'm getting my hair done next week. I'm getting a bleach bath on all of the dark to see how it lightens, and then we're just going to put an all over colour on the dark and then just refresh the pink. And then I want extensions eventually, but I literally went in and I was like, I want extensions and I want to be blonde, and she went, get out. Joking obviously, but yeah, she was just like, yeah, that's not happening immediately, so that's fine. I've just had a bath. The girls have just gone to bed. Binksy and Chippy are having a fight over there. Oi, be nice to each other. Sake, the bloody zoomies. I'm just going to edit yesterday's video, get it up, and then I'm chatting to an old friend. So I'm going to carry on with that conversation, and then that's going to be my evening. I'm just going to sit down here and maybe watch a bit of telly, and that's it. So a nice lovely day. And then tomorrow I think I'm going into the city with my friend Kat after I've dropped the kids off, and we're going to have Wagamamas for lunch, which I'm very excited about because I love Wagamamas and Kat does as well, and Kat's partner doesn't like Wagamamas, and I obviously don't have anybody to go with, so we're going to go and have a day date at Wagamamas, and I'm very much looking forward to it. So yeah, I'll take you tomorrow to Wagamamas.